Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 2nd till the 8th of December. Please keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, and this is a reading that's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. I'm having a high fever and viral these days, so please bear with me. I will do whatever readings I can do today, and then rest of the readings tomorrow. See, loss of breath. Anyway, so Libra, let's see what's happening. Okay, so if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots, and the links are given in the description box. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Libra. Fool card. So someone here is feeling like there is a risk in this situation. They have to take a leap of faith in this direction, or they're just hoping for some kind of breakthrough in the situation. Let's clarify the Fool card. We have the Seven of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the King of Swords. Yeah. There's a lot of confusion going on in the situation between you and them, and they feel like clearing the air with you and taking the risk of going in this direction with or without you, like going in a totally different direction with or without you from whatever it is right now. So there's a lot of confusion. There's a lot of ifs and buts and conflicts in the situation, and maybe third party or parties as well in the situation, Libra. And this person definitely feels like clearing the air with you so that they can have a breakthrough in the situation and they can move forward in their life with or without you. That is their energy right now. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? This AC thing is killing me. If I am not like using it, I'm feeling hot. If I'm using it, it's making me crazy. The fan, it's irritating the hell out of me right now. First day of my periods, plus my what we call that, oh, sickness, viral. I got viral. Yeah. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Page of Swords. You feel like keeping yourself at a distance from this particular person and learning about them, learning each and everything about them, but from a distance. Okay. You might be open to new people, new situations as well, but you want to unlearn a lot of things before you are going to jump into the unknown. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Swords here. We have the Sun card, the Knight of Wands, the Tower. Yeah, you feel like having a breakthrough in your love and relationship area. You are not stuck on a particular person or situation. You are right now in this idea of, if somebody is meant for me, will come back to me. If they are not, I'm ready to let them go. So you are unlearning a lot of things in order to learn new things. And at the same time, you're watching something or someone from a distance, and you feel quite happy and content about that distance because it's deliberate action from your side. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Libra. Two of Pentacles. Okay, their intention is to let go of the confusion, let go of the on and off and in and out and back and forth. There are very high chances of third party or third parties interfering in the situation, because Two of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Seven of Cups, it's all giving the vibe of other people involved in the situation. Maybe not romantically, but other people are also influencing the situation big time. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles as what their intentions are about the situation. We have the High Priestess, the Nine of Swords, the Nine of Cups, right? See, they want to sort it out with you because it's too stressful for them not to sort it out with you. But at the same time, they don't want to say anything to you about that. They just want to pretend that they're happy with their life. They are just, you know, doing fantastically well, fantastically beautiful in their life, and they are just not interested in this on and off, in and out kind of energy with you. Wow. Basically, they want to give you the vibe of they're not interested in sorting it out with you, but at the same time they just want to sort it out with you. It's kind of their wish fulfillment, but they don't want to do anything about it. They don't want to even tell you about that intention of theirs that they want to sort it out with you. Oh god. Sheer manipulation of energies, and it's bad for themselves only. I guess you're right. Like, you're okay, you're all right, you're doing fine in your life. They are playing games with themselves. Hmm. What do you want? World. You just want a completion of a cycle. You just want this chapter to end. You just want to finish the unfinished business and move on to the next chapter of your life. This is what you want. Let's clarify the world card. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the world. Yeah. You're no longer in this energy of waiting for somebody to show up in the right kind of energy. You have like accepted the fact that this is no longer working out, or this might never work out between you and them. So with a very compassionate kind and grounded kind of energy, you just want to put an end to something, and you just don't want to look back ever. You're like, okay, you're in this energy of, if it is meant to be, it will come back to you eventually, naturally and organically. If not, you are just letting it go and sitting in your power, and you're like, okay, I'm good with that, I'm content and happy with that. No regrets, no fights, no issues, no conflicts, I'm good. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 8th of December, Libra. तू है मेरा ये संसार सा. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, it's a very down to earth, very grounded, very mature and very compassionate kind of energy. Stable kind of energy that you're going to experience. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles as a potential outcome. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. You will be putting in the effort and energy in order to make your energies as stable, as grounded, as compassionate from your side as you can, and simultaneously waiting for the right kind of energy, right kind of person, right kind of dynamic to enter in your life when the timing is going to be right. It's basically working on yourself, working on your money, job, career, most importantly on your stability of every kind, and waiting for the right person to enter, or right kind of energy or right kind of balance to enter in your love and relationship area, so that you can move forward with that kind of balance. But right now you are putting in the effort and energy in balancing your own energies and becoming the balance first in your own life. That's very, very beautiful, commendable. I'm just in love with the idea of whatever you're doing. Guidance, Seven of Pentacles. Slow and steady is going to win the race, Libra. It's not going to happen in one day, but one day it's definitely going to happen. Okay, mark this line, read, write this line somewhere and read it for the whole week. It's not going to happen in one day, but one day it's definitely going to happen. Just keep on putting in the effort and energy from your side in the right direction. Be the right energy, be the right balance first, and you will be able to attract that kind of person in your life naturally and organically. Slowly but surely, my favorite line. A lot of people mail me that slowly but surely now. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.